Today we got some unboxing or unpacking to do. This is a set of Milwaukee all metal core screwdrivers. These actually aren't your regular everyday screwdrivers. I go through so many screwdrivers, they bend, they strip, they get lost. These I got because these are promised to be strong and they are demolition rated, so you know you could hammer it, break things with it, so this should hold up very well. Now you guys might ask, I always use DeWalt, why did I go with Milwaukee? I'm not in any team. I just like DeWalt because I don't know, I just got DeWalt in the beginning and I like DeWalt. They're very reliable, but Milwaukee got some great stuff too. If it comes to, you know, tape measures and stuff, you know, Craftsman is fine. Ryobi is fine with, you know, things that I don't use that much, like plumbing tools and stuff like that. Depending on the usage and everything, that's what I get. It's not really wise to spend a lot of money for the things that I don't use often. So this Milwaukee screwdrivers, I think it was very expensive. Well, expensive for screwdrivers. I'm not sure how much these were, but I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can check it out. Let's tear it open and bam. These are very heavy and they're large, so I don't think you can lose them. But a good pro tip is always write your name on the tool. When I'm working with other people and we're packing up and they see that, you know, my tool's got my name written on it, they don't accidentally put my stuff in their bag. For example, DeWalt batteries, they get swapped out all the time. And if you write your name boldly on every single battery you have, every single time people try to pack up, if the other person is also using DeWalt tools, they're not gonna pack up your batteries. So for the tip here, these are protected obviously. This is what the flathead looks like. It's huge. This is probably not gonna be useful that much, just hitting stuff or using this thing as a little crowbar. And this is the Phillips head. You know, this thing is gonna be useful for any electrical work that I do all the time. And also, I mean, this flathead, you could also use this on electrical work, but I feel like it's just really heavy. So yeah, this is definitely useful for, you know, any electrical work or any work really that I have. The bit here is thick and coated enough. It's like a matte coat in here, so you know it won't slip and stuff like that. And overall, these are very good quality tools. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.